Oh, welcome back to the Campbell Woods. We got a busy day. Yesterday they cultivated. Today they're turning it over the field and they're putting beans in. And Brother Mark is hard at it in the pasture, old pasture land here. Lots of cows were in this area. Hamish, back! Mark, riding the tractor. Spent hours on that tractor. Trying to get this in fixed. Not quite sitting on the bolt isn't quite catching on both sides. Hopefully it's an easy fix. Hamish! Back! Back! Here! Good boy. He likes to investigate. We got two tractors meeting up there. Different vintages. Hamish, back! You stay away from that, Hamish. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. (1965) and looks like a little bit more modern. Look how they move that tractor in. Hey, that is just amazing. I wouldn't want to guess what that tractor would go for, and the machinery behind it. It'd be a pretty dollar. It would be a pretty dollar. Did that field so fast. I just cannot believe it. Hamish, come back here now. You stand by me. Come here. Hamish, come here. Good dog. Good dog. We got a weather system moving in here. It's going to be raining in about an hour or two. The afternoon. Everybody's rushing to get the grass cut, finishing up the yard. And this orchard is just exploding. Oh, he's getting ready to pull out of here. So we'll let him out of here. Backing up. Hamish, you stay away from that rig. Hamish! Hamish! Are you listening to me? Get back! What a beauty. Hamish, you're being a tinker today. Yeah, we're being a tinker. Okay, Hamish, get back here now. Come here. Here. I got the farmer here. Son, maybe. For this. Sign off from the Campbell Woods. Lots of activity here today.